Did you know that over 20 million people in the US suffer from nerve pain? That's a staggering number. But here's a silver lining. Smoothies can actually help alleviate some of that discomfort. Yeah, you heard me right. The right ingredients can work wonders for your nerve health and overall well-being. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share 3 delicious smoothie recipes that are not just tasty, but specifically designed to help you beat nerve pain. So, if you're looking to whip up something refreshing while also giving your body a little love, stick around. Now, let's talk about nerve pain for a second. It can really be a tough challenge to deal with. Whether it's from conditions like diabetes, injury, or even just aging, nerve pain can seriously impact your daily life. Some common issues include a burning sensation, tingling, or even numbness. But here's the good news. Certain foods can help. Foods packed with anti-inflammatory properties like leafy greens, berries, and healthy fats can play a big role in reducing inflammation and promoting nerve health. By incorporating these ingredients into your diet, especially in the form of smoothies, you can start to feel a bit better. So let's get into some recipes that can help you out. All right, let's dive into the fun part, the smoothies. The first recipe is a berry Bliss smoothie. You'll need a cup of mixed berries, a banana, a cup of spinach, and some almond milk. Just blend it all together. The berries are loaded with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation, while the spinach is full of vitamins that support nerve function. Next up is the tropical turmeric smoothie. For this one, grab a cup of pineapple, a banana, a teaspoon of turmeric, and coconut water. Blend until smooth. Turmeric is a superstar when it comes to reducing inflammation, and pineapple has bromelain, which is great for pain relief. Finally, we have the creamy avocado green smoothie. You'll need half an avocado, a cup of kale, a banana, and some yogurt. Blend it all together for a creamy treat. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and potassium, which can help improve nerve function, while kale adds a ton of nutrients. Each of these smoothies is not just delicious, but also packed with ingredients that can help soothe nerve pain. Now here's the key moment. If there's one ingredient that stands out in all these recipes, it's turmeric. This golden spice is not only flavorful but also packed with curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It's like a magic potion for your nerves, so make sure to add turmeric to your smoothies whenever you can. Trust me, your body will thank you. So, to wrap things up, we've covered 3 fantastic smoothies that can help reduce nerve pain. The Berry Bliss, Tropical Turmeric, and Creamy Avocado smoothies are all tasty options that not only help satisfy your taste buds, but also provide your body with the nutrients it needs to fight inflammation and promote nerve health. Remember, these delicious drinks are just a step away from feeling better. Now it's your turn. I encourage you to try out these recipes and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health-related content. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves.